White Cessna right there, and he just crossed over my street slowly, and he's been out here recording the other Cessna. He's doing the sound cover up, so now he's coming in to do a little bit. You can tell this is one of the regular guys though. The other dude maybe got off his ass from a desk or something. Cause look, this guy's not even pulsing. This guy's an idiot. Look there, I just ordered some pulses. Do your best. And there's a second Cessna right there. He's right up here. So there's one right there that just went over my roof. There's this guy right here. So look, there were multiple Cessnas at one time, and one civilian even made a noise. That's all that ever happened. You see, Your Honor? It's absolutely bullcrap and stupid. The other guy's not gone. He's still out here. He's coming back. I'm gonna cut and save.